going to be doing 4 coasters. I'm going to be using the Sheleeart bloom technique. Well, I call it the blow technique because I'm going to be using my little blower, and it's down in my links. If you look down there, you'll see I have a link on Amazon. You can click on that, get that dryer. A lot of the paints are in the links. My recipe, a lot of the materials in my recipe. My recipe is down below. Check that out and let's get started here. So the first color I'm using is the Color Shift Green Flash, and I mixed that with the green yellow, and that's what I got. This beautiful color. Okay, and this color is Primary Cyan. This is 50/50 Artist Loft Gold with Deco Art 24 karat. Love those two together. This one is Color Shift Aqua Flash and the Grumbacher Turquoise Green. Those two together. Now the reason why I'm using other colors with the Color Shift is because they're too thin with my recipe, and I think the reason why they're too thin is on this recipe I'm using the Glidden, where is it? There's 3 different bases you can use that we found that work really well. This one in particular is the Glidden Base 3 Semi-Gloss. It comes in, I'll have a picture of the can at the end, but you can buy it by the gallon. Buy it at Home Depot, and I keep it in a little container like this. But it's a little thinner than the Behr 8300 I used to use that they don't make anymore. The other one that works really good is this HGTV Sherman-Williams. This one, the problem with this one is it's really expensive. Ultra Deep Base. It's very expensive, and they don't make the gallons anymore. So you got to buy the quarts, which is, you know, twice as much as the gallon was. So now you're just left with the Glidden, and it's a little bit thinner. So when you use craft paint, you need to thicken it up. So 2 paints work best. All right, enough of that. So let's get going. I use the Satin Color Place from Walmart. That just works really good. Buy it right off the shelf. I've used others, but I like this the best. It has less measles. Okay, let's see. All right, so there's my pillow. Got my sticks taped underneath, like that. Helps me keep my gloves cleaner. Lets me tilt easier. I'll just speed this up now. Cell activator, 3:1, Australian Floetrol, Amsterdam black oxide. That's it. You gotta work fast. This does sink, tends to sink, so you want to make sure you put enough on there, and then you gotta get going on it because it'll sink. So if you find that you have a bunch of black left in the middle, I just take a straw and I get down there and just blow it a little more. Thins it out and the colors come back up. Then you got to wait for the center to come up so you could tilt it so it'll all move at the same time. And I do this to help that center come up. Also, if there's any bubbles, it helps the bubbles pop, so I can, there's a couple here, I can get those with the little pointy barbecue skewer. That's it. Looks pretty good. So, fast forward, we'll get the music going, and we'll get through the other ones. There you go. I'll have a picture of them dried at the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to push the notification bell. Check out my links down below. It's in the description along with my recipe, my Etsy shop, all my social media. If you learned anything, please comment. That really helps me out. Give me a comment and just tell me where you're from. Anyway, have a great night. I'll see you next time. Bye.